Hi all, welcome to our channel. Who are watching first time my videos, follow clearly and follow the proper steps. This is a complete not theory concept. They will be complete will be practical scenario. So we are using Instagram account. Any Instagram account, I can reach more views and more public awareness. So I can posting every day my Instagram account. I unable to reach my post will be more than 20 likes, 30 likes. I have to reach more audience. What is the main goal? That is called go to Instagram. Two steps we have to follow always. One is called select your Instagram post. Here, click for share option. There will be called individual profile. You can share it, or else we can add your story option. Is the first preference. The story will be show to the two profiles. One is Instagram. Second will be Facebook profile. When I'm shared to the particular customer, the post will be shared to the any user two profiles. One is Instagram, second will be profile. When I'm clicking for share here, look and do this. I'm clicking for share option. Give me the second. It is visible by the two platforms. Now I'm clicking for share and click for done. So my post, I have to reach for more view purpose. So how to increase the views? Likes is a depend on your post is the visible very clear and picturization. If I go to my profile option, scroll down, I'm clicking my story. When I'm using for one by one story, see this. When I click here, they can see my show your post option. They can click for like. But I have to reach in my post and likes also. That is mean by another time. Second, share it. The another option name is called WhatsApp. WhatsApp will be two things. One is called WhatsApp Business. Second will be common WhatsApp. Our selective will be common WhatsApp. I using for two WhatsApp. Click for one WhatsApp option will be here. After this, making a status and click for continue it. So it will be uploading for 7 characters. It will be done. So information you will be don't reach more than 700 characters. And same future, we can click for share option. Another one is called WhatsApp and Facebook newsfeed also. This is a reaching purpose. We have to reach the particular in a Facebook news feed and click for is the particular next option. But this is a mobile, nothing to use. Simple option tell you, go to your Facebook page, click it and share Facebook, properly visible this content and what are the content you will be added here. Add the content. This content visible by the feed. Without content, first of all, share the Facebook story. First of all, don't add any content will be here. I'm adding for story option. Second one, same, share. It'll be Instagram purpose. Share, Facebook. I only select by the feed. Click this. So this all belongs to for increasing our Instagram story and wise increase your Instagram post views everything. That all will be show to the customer. I have engagement or not anything. Go to your profile, click here, and click this particular option. Is another option name is called professional dashboard. Click this, and what are the reach? Everything will be into the green color symbol. That is more and more engagement each and every profile. So compulsory follow these instructions and make it engagement on your particular option. So here is that what are your engagement, everything. You can check onto your professional dashboard. So this compulsory maintained by Instagram profile to increase your followers and post reaching purpose. Always remember in your mind, any Instagram followers is increase depend on your post option. Post is not good, don't get likes and followers. Be on patient, create the proper post and increase your followers on Instagram option by using Instagram story, Facebook post and Facebook story and WhatsApp status. This all will be increase your Instagram post reach and followers. Based on your post will be like the customer. But reach is common engagement, but likes is dependent on your post option. If any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.